Hello, it's Jeannie here from Dora Creation. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is a really exciting mode for me. Portrait mode brings you into your environment, blurs it out, but keeps that element of atmosphere. I really love this one. This video is quite a bit longer because it's one of my favorite tools. So let's get started. Press your camera. Often that will bring you straight into photo. We are wanting to go to portrait. It works in a very similar way to your other functions. So we'll start on natural light and make sure that your subject is the one in the box. So see the way the little yellow arrows are around? Then we have studio mode. So natural light, studio light. And you can see the difference on my face, just especially at the sides and in the background. This one's my favorite, contour light. Look how it gives that little bit of darkness on the outside, makes my face slimmer, and it's a lot more, for my skin tone, it's a lot more flattering. Can you see the difference? When it comes to background, stage light will get rid of or eliminate pretty much everything in your background. The same with mono stage light, but it's really harsh on your lines. If you have a look at my hairline, and I've got pretty light hair, you can really see the difference. So I nearly look like I've been cut out. If I want to have it as high key, then it changes my background to white. Now, although this is a very dramatic change, sometimes this is exactly what it is that you're looking for. Back to contour light. As you can see, it's much softer on my skin compared to the other ones. So if you can control your background, it can be a much more flattering effect. Don't you think? So that you can see them. Studio, contour light. Yes, I keep going back to this one, but doesn't it look so much better? Check your angles. See, use your camera as a mirror. Have a little look and see what looks good, but it will also affect, this is the important bit, can you see how it's affecting the background? Natural light, change it around. My background is what really gets changed in portrait mode. So it's not just that we're affecting the light and the contouring, as I was showing you before, but it's also affecting the blur and the sharpness of our background. Stage light can be incredibly harsh, but occasionally it does actually work. Contouring or anything that's showing you your background, as you can see in this image here, will actually work quite well. So if you look behind me, you can actually see that it's quite blurred. If I go to a plain background, as in this case black, it doesn't have to be blurred, but it can make it a lot softer if the focus is on me. Equally with your hair, or an outfit, or a hat if you're wearing it, the back of that will actually go back and make it a little bit out of focus, which can work really well. Being portrait mode, I know that we have focused predominantly, if not all, actually on portraits themselves. But I must highlight that this works incredibly well on products, like we've shown at the very start of this little video, on honey, a little honey video. But it works really well, as I was saying, on products, even a cup of coffee, so that you can have that little bit of control on your environment to bring your subject in and to bring your attention right in there with it. I've loved you coming in this journey with me. It actually makes it so much more exciting, so much more enjoyable, and I really must thank you because I'm learning as I go along as well. No matter if you're taking an outdoor shot as we are here, an indoor in the studio, a controlled environment, or not so, I want you to enjoy every single moment of this. Because really, isn't it all about having a little bit of fun before you get the absolute best image? Enjoy, and thank you.